Hey everyone, if you're looking for a stunning modern home in Rio Rancho, you're in the right place. And here's the deal. Stick around until the end because we're revealing the price, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. Let's talk about 2650 Abrazo Road Northeast, a beautifully designed single-level home built in 2020 with 2,119 square feet of living space. This place has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and an extra flex space that could be your new office, workout room, or even a 4th bedroom. Now, as soon as you walk in, you'll feel the difference. High ceilings, 8-foot doors, and an open concept layout make the home feel spacious and inviting. And the living room? It's got a cozy fireplace, perfect for those chilly nights, or just setting the mood for a relaxed evening. Moving into the kitchen, this is where it gets exciting. If you love to cook, or even if you just like looking like a pro, this kitchen has a gas cooktop, a pot filler, a massive island, staggered cabinets, and a huge pantry for all your snacks and secret junk food stash. The primary suite is your private getaway. It's got plenty of space, plus an ensuite bathroom with double vanities and a walk-in closet big enough to fit your entire wardrobe, and maybe even a little shopping addiction. There are also 2 more spacious bedrooms and 1.5 additional bathrooms, so there's room for the whole family, guests, or even a creative space if you need one. But let's step outside, because this backyard is a game changer. Imagine relaxing on your covered patio, enjoying the outdoor fireplace, and listening to the sound of the fountains. It's the perfect spot to start your morning with coffee or unwind after a long day. Oh, and did I mention, this home comes with a 3-car garage and is Silver Level Green Build certified, which means it's energy efficient and saves you money in the long run. Now, let's talk location. You're in a fantastic community, close to parks, great schools, shopping, and restaurants. Everything you need is right around the corner. All right, if you made it this far, here's the moment you've been waiting for. This incredible home is listed at $500,000. Want to see it in person? Call me, Anita Mora, today to book a private tour. And if you love checking out beautiful homes, hit that subscribe button for more home tours and real estate updates. See you in the next one.